that's my jam. Hey.
Yeah.
What's up? Ready? Say sup.
Huh?
Say sup. Do it again. Sup.
Huh?
Say sup.
You like the caramel?
Or anything with peanut butter.
Alright.
Zion. Say Zion. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Treated for dinner.
Give me a
Only if you want $5.
She's gonna tip. Ooh. Jodee, he's giving you your birthday present.
This is from Sarah.
What does it say?
It's a beautiful gift. Happy birthday, Jodee. It's not Jodee, it's Jodee. Jodee. I like this gift. Cute. Oh! How cute! He's trying to stick it on his head. Like Jodee. He's like this with a tissue paper. You have to lick it first. Ooh, let me see. I can't see.
Makeup thing.
Ooh.
He's looking at his social media. Zion.
Another mirror.
But that one's for your makeup.
Bring me that, please.
That was really close.
I wish I had one.
I gave you one, you stupid.
To Jodee Watley from Texas, Virginia. Ladder. Just got a ladder.
Wonder who it's for.
All these jokes. Oh my gosh.
Show mom.
Bye, Grandma. They have ugly feet.
Go show mom.
Don't spend it all at one place. 15 cents. Hope your birthday doesn't
No, look
stink
at-
like
show
you.
Mom.
Just kidding. Not
Show the
really.
camera and show mom.
You better pick that up, girl.
Oh, she is.
Show what's in there.
How do you know?
Oh. Oh, it was just a lucky guess because everybody likes salt and vinegar. Yes.
Hurry up!
Hurry up before she opens it and eats it.
Oh, wow.
What?
I'm not sure. I wish I had feet like this.
Yeah, those are nicer.
Or this.
Wait, these look like Sarah's feet.
Pretty.
Yay!
Hey!
Check it, people.
Thanks.
Taylor, check Yeah, I think he did.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jodee.
Happy birthday to you.
May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May
May the dear Lord bless Jodee. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jodee. Hey, you didn't
Your
clean
birthday's
up.
not yet.
One, two, three, four, five,
Why you
six,
smack like that?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Her hair.
13,
Her hair and the ice
14, 15.
You missed
Ryan,
count.
your turn.
Zion's turn.
Your turn. Spit.
He's pulled hair 15 times.
Never he quit.
Okay. He wants cake.
Yay!
Go get the temper plate.
Y'all,
The shirt that I was looking for.
welcome to the vlog. We are at
Urban Air.
Urban Air now. We're at Urban Air now. And
See you guys in our vlog.
we will see you inside. I've been in this circuit for a beat a lot. Oh man, sorry, kids be. For a beat a lot. About 2 minutes. Hi, I'm Jodee, and I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Why are you running? You guys are trying to balance?
Go, Jodee!
Woo! Yes! My name is Sarah Toyota, Sashimi Subaru.
Her name is.
Hi, my name is Kevin, and my social security number is 666-66661.
I'm Azalea, and I like to kick people.
No, don't run! Don't cross the line!
My name is Wong Hiro, and I'm from Yakutamaza, Japan.
Don't cross the line!
I'm scared. Child, this is what you've been waiting for. Don't hit me in the face. No. Put it in the butt. You didn't hear me say that.
Jodee. Wait, Jodee!
I want to try again.
I didn't say nothing.
What the?
Make sure you go in for the vintage shot. You can go for that the back of the knee.
Oh, you made her mad now. The sorcerer wins. So, I'm gonna show you what happened. So, I'm gonna show you how I hurt myself. So, I was jumping, right? Like I was on the top of the thing, and then I jumped off. I was like, and then my knees, they were up like this. They hit right here, they hurt so freaking bad. I mean, so bad. Like it hit right here, and it hit, oh shoot, hit right there. Here hurts now.
Hey guys, so we left Urban Air, so we're not like right outside. Today was very fun. We celebrated my birthday, which was yesterday. Happy birthday, Jodee. Thank you. It was very fun. We recorded a lot. Right now we're going to Asian Buffet. Yeah. What am I saying? Urban Air was kind of empty today. Well, because it was a weekday, but I feel like it would have been more fun with a lot of people just running around. But it would have been crowded, so there would have to be there would be a wait. Not wait like pounds, like wait. You know I talk a lot. Oh, cause it's crowded, so it'd be a long wait. But you know, it was fun. We got a big family, so we crowded the place. Oh, so there's this like dodgeball like place thingy. I just spit on your thing. And so Zion was apparently in there because I took my eye off of him for like a second, and he ran, and apparently went to the dodgeball place, and apparently some lady was like carrying him out, and then I said I'm sorry, and then like Zion was so scared, but apparently he was like,
Apparently, Jodee, oh my god, you said apparently like 6 times.
anyways, he was taking the dodgeballs and like hitting other kids' faces. Like, Zion's very abusive. Well,
let's go eat.
let me drive the boat.
Oh my god, you're stupid.
We're at Asian buffet, okay?
Somebody had a poo-poo explosion. It wasn't Cleo.
It was me. Wait.
Give Kayla.
I want some. You didn't even give me anything.
Yeah, I got my box.
Papa, right? The ice cream's too cold.
Yeah.
I took off Papa's teeth and his taste buds. I think we need to sue them.
Are they recording it?
No.
Those guys like the frosted fruit, but
What if it's too cold? Put sriracha.
it's cold.
What is it? What is it? What is Papa's?
Hey, get up!
Okay, what is Papa's?
Okay, what is Papa's?
Always be nice to your children because they're not nice to you.
$50 will be at your doorstep. Who will it be from?
Not me.
Whoever's payday is tomorrow.
Jimmy, that's not
Where's
what it says.
Angela's fortune?
Ben Sharp Love, but persons.
Do you guys have an extra one there?
What are you? Jodee!
Can you stop?
Fortune?
Absence. Absence?
Let me drive the boat.
Jodee!
Azalea, go
Okay, guys, it's the end of the vlog, and we are about to leave Asian Buffet, but that was our day. Make sure you like, comment down below. What was your favorite part of this vlog?
Zion, look at mom.
And
Zion, look at what mom has.
follow
Look.
Tammy on all of her
Show
social
Mom.
medias. That will be linked in the description box down below. Like this video and give this video a big... Wait, I just said that. And smash that
Dude,
like
it's
button.
already Friday
I
tomorrow.
literally said that 3 times.
this whole weekend.
Tomorrow is
um,
Friday. Yeah, there's no practice.
So, make sure you
Oh, you
subscribe.
wait till after.
This is the end of the vlog.